Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to delete an additional Facebook profile on a PC. First, log into your Facebook account on PC, then go to the profile icon in the top right corner of your Facebook page. Click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, go to the Account Center on the left side of the screen. Click on See More in Account Center. From here, navigate to the Personal Details section, then go to Account Ownership and Control. Now, click on Deactivation or Deletion. On the next screen, make sure you select the right profile that you want to delete. After selecting the profile, you will have the option to either deactivate or delete it. Choose Delete and then click Continue. Facebook might ask you to pick a reason for deleting the profile. You can either select a reason or skip this step if none of the options apply. Finally, enter your password to confirm the deletion and you're done. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day.